Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ABRP to sync car and charger preferences step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the ABRP website. Look for the register button, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the register button to be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a strong password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, then click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from ABRP. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the ABRP website, confirming your account is now active. Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings, usually found in the Account drop-down menu. Look for the Car Preferences section to start syncing your vehicle details. Select your car make and model from the drop-down menus. Next, find the Charger Preferences section. Here, you can input your preferred charging stations and types of chargers. After entering your preferences, review all your settings for accuracy. Finally, click on the Save Changes button to apply your preferences. Your ABRP account is now fully registered and synced with your car and charger preferences. You're all set to enhance your electric vehicle experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.